Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. This is Epson Workforce 2950DW. I'm going to show you how to scan document from this printer. To scan your document, you need to open up the scanner, stick the document you want to scan on top of the scanner, face down. Okay, face down. Now close it. We want to do this scanning using Epson Smart Panel on our mobile device. So go to the panel, okay, select scan, and this is the scan. Go to the scan setting. You need to select document source is the glass scanner, okay. Then document type is A4 paper, A4. Select A4. And how do you want the document? Image type is color. If you want it black and white, then you need to select black and white. So we selected color. And resolution, the maximum is 600 dpi from here using your mobile device. Standard is 300. So at the moment it's in standard. Okay. Then the next is auto rotation. There's no need. Okay. And also image format is PDF. If you are scanning photo, then you select JPEG. But document is usually PDF. Okay, so select PDF. Now the next thing to do, you need to select start. Here we go. The document is scanning the original. You can see the document will scan. If you want to scan the second one, open up the scanner, okay, and remove this one and put another document you want to scan face down. Then close the scanner. On the mobile device, select next, okay, and click next. We'll go back. If you want to scan another one, not next, you need to select plus, scan. Okay, select plus to scan the second one. Click plus, and it will scan the second. Okay, it's when you finish that, then you select next. Okay, you can see the document is scanned. This is the first one and second one. Okay, so once you're done, you can delete any particular one you're not happy with. Okay, so select next. You can also rotate it. So the next to do is you need to select next. You can do this as many as you like by clicking add plus scan. Okay, once you're done, then you can see this blue highlighting is next for you to proceed. For you to save this document, click save. You can also select file name and location. You can select location where you want to save this document. Use this folder. Okay, click allow. Click, then you can name the document. You can type the name if you like. You can type anything you like and click save. So this document, the file is saved. Click. Now go back to the home screen. Select no. Okay, so this file is saved. Now, if you want to print this out or share it to somebody, then you need to click this share button. Okay, and it will give you option for you to share this to various platforms. I'm going to share this to my inbox. So select the email address of the person you want to send this to. Okay, and now this document is attached to my inbox. Here we go, it's attached to my inbox. So the next thing to do, you need to put the email address of the person you want to send this document to. Then write the subject, write the message, and click send. Now this document is sent to my inbox. The next thing I want to show you is how to print this document out. It's asking us go back to home, select no. To print this document out, okay, you need to select share button again, select share. Now you need to go and look for Epson Smart Panel. So scroll and look for Epson Smart Panel. If you can't find it, you need to select more option. When you select more option, then you'll be able to see all the apps available. So select Epson Smart Panel for us to print this document. So now this document is attaching to, okay, here we go. So now this is the Epson Smart Panel, first and second. To print this document, you need to select print. Okay, so select print for you. It will give you option for you to select features you want to do. Okay, like first of all, how many printing range. We want to print 1 and 2, all the pages, and document type is A4 paper. If you are printing any other, then you need to select the particular one. So what we have here is A4 paper. Now media type, okay, is plain paper. So you can select if it's envelope or ultra, any other features. So what we have here is plain paper. Then the next is if you want to print borders. Print quality, you can select high standard or standard. It's currently in standard. Okay, then we'll go back. So we selected standard for it. Then the next thing to do is paper source. This printer got real paper tray, so it's picked it up already. And the color, we need to select color. If you are printing black and white, then you need to select black and white. Another thing I want to show you is also if we want to print double-sided, we need to select double-sided, long edge. Then once you've done that, then you need to select how many copies you want to print this document. You can select 2 or 1. At the moment it's in 1. Okay, if you want more than it's 1, click OK. If you want it more than 1, then you need to select the number, then select start. So this document now is going to print double-sided color. There we go. It's printing double-sided color. Okay. Now preparing to print the reverse side of the document. Do not touch. So it will go back inside to print the second page. There we go. The beauty of this printer is it will do the automatic document print. Okay, double-sided. It will go back in. Some printers you need to turn it upside down. So now it's printing the second page. Here we go. This is the document, and it will show you complete. This is the document was printed, scanned, and printed double-sided. If you want to print this document one-sided, okay, what you need to do, you need to select print option, select print. Instead of double-sided, you select off, then select print. This document now is going to print one-sided. That's it, one-sided. Okay, so it's not double-sided, so just printed one. The second page is printing. You can see this is the second page. So this is how to scan your document with this printer, print it out double-sided or one-sided. So once you're done, you just need to go back to the main menu. Now the other thing I want us to do is we need to go to our email address to check if the document we sent is there. Okay, so go to my email address to check the document we emailed to myself, and you can see the document note to self is here. So this is the document sent to my inbox. Just opening it up. So this is the document scanned and sent to my inbox. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do consider to subscribe. It helps the channel. This is how to scan document from this printer, print it out, share and save as well. Thank you and stay blessed.